Hi friends, welcome back to another video. So you'll see that we are in a very different location. Reason being is because it is raining so badly outside and my apartment is so dark. So I am forced to use the bathroom in my amenity space in my apartment. But it worked out because the lighting is amazing. So as you all can tell from the title, I am going to be walking you through a very quick 5-minute, maybe 5 to 10 minute go-to makeup look. If you all watched my ways to look more attractive video, you'll see that I said that it all starts with your skincare, and I'll also link a video to my latest skincare. All I have on my face right now is my skincare. I did put this on from Summer Fridays, this lip butter balm, which is so good. I love it. Enough of me chatting. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all those things. You're here anyway. You might as well. Like, you're here anyway. You might as well. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing that I do is, because my serum that I use for my face is just so A1, and I'll link it below, I use this vitamin C serum that is like to die for. My skin already has a pretty good glow, but if I want to like up that and add a little bit more glow, I take this Glossier Future Dew. Love it, recommend it, get it. Then I move on to, and I'm not done with my brows yet, but I'm letting them dry. But I go in with this Merit stick, and this is the color, this is the complexion stick, and this is the color Amber. Go in on areas that I want to cover up. Other tip is, if I have like a pimple going on, which happens sometimes around my forehead, I will skip my forehead because I just want that pimple to heal, and I don't want to put like any chemicals or product on it, just so it can heal faster. So that's it. So I just like kind of use it as like a spot treatment, so to speak. Like, I love this stuff. Oh, I love this stuff. If you get nothing from this video, get this Merit complexion stick. Like, it is amazing. You kind of just have to let your stuff sit for a little bit so that it can actually penetrate in your skin, which is another reason why, if you can buy clean beauty, you should. But obviously not even all my stuff is clean beauty, but definitely like the stuff that I put on my face, I try to pay like a little bit closer attention to what it is that I'm putting on my face, because it's fully like getting into my pores. So when I'm not done with my brows, I go back in with a 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. So before I was using the fluff brow, but this is like the actual like gel that puts everything in place. So I kind of just do a little, goes a long way, because you know what I also notice about this stuff? It will leave behind like little boogers when it dries, and sometimes if I don't catch it, I'll be like, oh my god, I've been walking around with eyebrow boogers because of this stuff. Not cute. So I then go, I take my Rare Beauty, and this is bronzer, I think. Yeah, this is a bronzer stick from Rare Beauty in the color Full of Life. We love. I'll sometimes use it as contour, but not for a day like this. I don't need it. I put on very little. Like, almost it matches the color of my actual skin tone almost, but it still adds like a little dimension. It like warms up the eyelid. So I just do this. Mind you, this would be faster if I wasn't talking through it. So just know that this is a fast thing. I'm just talking through it. So don't think that it's not 5 to 10 minutes. It is. It's just, I'm talking through it. Then I go back to my face and I take a foundation brush and then I just kind of pat it in there. When I went to Cabo, this makeup routine saved me so much time, and it was light enough to be like in the hot, like, so I feel like this makeup look is just like anywhere, any season, because I also wear it in the winter here in New York, so I just feel like it works. I'm even bringing like the excess in places I didn't put it, because I just like it to be light. Like, I like light coverage. Okay, and then for concealer, I sometimes use the Fenty Beauty 380, or I use the NARS Hazelnut. Today, I love them both, but today I'm just gonna use the NARS. And I just put it under my eyes. See, you can't even tell, and that's what I love about the colors that I pick out for my skin tone, is that I like things to look as close to my skin as possible. So I'm gonna let that sit in there for a little bit and move on to mascara. So similarly with mascara, I have 3 that I just love. For the Milk Kush one, for the Kush mascara by Milk, I mostly use this for like a nighttime, like date night, like going out type of look, because it is like very thicker. So during the day, I will use this Clinique one. I really like, I don't even know how to pronounce this, but this brand, Ilia, I don't know. I'll use that, and this is the Limitless Lash Mascara in the color After Midnight. So I really like this one. This one's so good. And I don't do a lot. Now I take my damp beauty blender now, and it's not like super wet, it's just a little damp. So this is important, right? Like, we want to make sure that we are blending really well. So just blend it up really well. I'm pretty happy with this. Use my Laura Mercier brightening powder in number 2. So I don't bake because I don't like my eyes to look highlighted. I try to use my makeup to enhance the way that I look, not alter the way that I look. So that's just my little thing. That same brand, Ilia, I'm taking the Atlas multi-stick. Now this could be used as like a blush lipstick. You see how the Future Dew is like still kind of coming through everything we did. Kind of put a little bit on my forehead, maybe a little bit on the bridge of my nose. Make it look like I'm a little like sun-kissed. My lippy, like I said, I had some of that Summer Fridays on my lips, so I'm gonna just, and then I'm taking the MAC Lip Chestnut. I have been literally, this is like a generational heirloom. Like, my mom used it, my granny uses it, like, this is like passed down. Like, no matter what, I'm always gonna keep this chestnut